Welcome to our Business Enhancing Balconette Trade Affiliate Program Overview Series. In this 4-part deep dive series, you'll get a complete overview of our affiliate program. The series is designed to familiarize yourself with the program and is a quick reference video guide if needed. In Part 1, we'll cover what a trade affiliate is, why the program was created, and how we're able to offer complete solutions. In Part 2, you'll learn about the onboarding process and dedicated account managers. From there, in Part 3, we'll cover our online 3D design tool. Part 4, our final in the series, will share with you a bit about our in-house installation training program days. To help you navigate this video series, chapter markers will be provided in each video description, allowing you the chance to move around as needed within the video. We want to thank you for your interest in our affiliate program and look forward to becoming part of your team. Enjoy the series and see you soon.